Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Acura Integra? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The display features a high-resolution digital display for clear driving information. It also integrates a central touchscreen for navigation, media, and vehicle controls. The instrument cluster features a fully digital display for speed, RPM, and essential driving data. It offers customizable layouts for a clear and intuitive view. The gear shifter features a modern, ergonomically designed console for smooth shifting. It provides a sporty feel while maintaining precise control. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic temperature settings for personalized comfort. It features intuitive touch and physical controls for easy adjustments. The engine is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder, delivering responsive performance. It balances strong acceleration with efficient fuel economy. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, automatic brake hold system indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, gear position indicator, 7-speed manual shift mode, indicator or shift indicator, transmission system indicator, seatbelt reminder indicator, low fuel indicator, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, gear position indicator, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, shift up indicator, shift down indicator, comfort mode indicator, normal mode indicator, sport mode indicator, sport plus mode indicator, individual mode indicator, system message indicator, adaptive cruise control with low speed, follow interval indicator, cruise mode indicator, safety support indicator, auto idle stop off indicator, auto idle stop indicator, auto idle stop suspend indicator, immobilizer system indicator, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow indicator, lane keeping assist system indicator, active lane change assist indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.